Hello friends, welcome back. Today's video is about counters. How we can use the counters in Delta PLC. But before start this video, please like, share and subscribe this channel. This way you will be never miss my upcoming videos. So let's get started. First of all, we will open our WPLSoft software and then firstly we will take it here LD X0 or LDP also you can choose. LDP is the rising edge of the PLC. LDP X0 and click enter. LDP means this is only single pulse giving to the anything you use, counter use, timer use or whatever. This is inside. LDP if you using, this will be you get rising edge. Also you can choose it from here and also you can write in the command. And secondly we will choose one counter CNT when you type. After you will get the counter and which number of counter you like to be used. For example C0 I will choose or C1 any you can choose. C0 I will choose and value how much you need. For example K10 I will choose. 10 values after he will change his contact. And in next row we will use only just one compare command for only just learning purpose. And next video I will explain you about compare commands. So in this video don't think about this is compare command, only just focus on counter. So write only just LD greater than C0 if greater than 5 for example or 3 we will take 3 we can write no problem and click enter. And after out one we will take Y0 for example. So this small program we will download to the PLC. First compile and then download to the PLC. And after we will make the simulation on and now we will give the signal at X0. For example one time if I will press X0 one count will be completed, right? And when you giving the off and again I will give second signal after counter counts the 2, again we will stop and again when make it on K3. This is the 3 values are completed because of these 3 signals are ready. But we were using this one compare command. Why this is 3 when not on? Because of this only we used the greater than command. So one more I will give the signal. As I give the one more signal our Y0 output will be energized. And here you can see this counter counts the 4 value. Again if I give more value 5, again I give the value 6, again I give the value, first have to be stop, again I give the value 7 and again I give the value so 8. How much any this X0 can think about, this is the external signal. For example from the field if coming any counts, for example any sensor, proximity sensor or whatever which you like to using in program. This is only for just learning purpose. When you using in the program, that's your own purpose you will be use. That X0, X2, X3 whichever you like to define with your PLC in external hardware inputs. And after you can make this program inside and after you can get this command and how much you signals you count after you can write in your PLC. So now one more things. Now this is Y0 is on. How you can stop this one? You have to be right click change present value, and here you can write case 0 for example and click enter, and your counter will be clear. Or have any one more purpose, one method which you can use for to reset this counter. Simply stop the simulation, and here you can insert the row, sorry, not here. Here we can make this one, and this one we will cancel, delete row, and here we can go and here insert a row, and here you can write just LDP or LD also you can use LDX2 for your counter reset, and here you can RST and rest C0 which you counter used, that's you can write, and at the step 3, and go to the compile, and first compile, and after download to the PLC again, and go to the simulation. And now we will see, I will give the signal at x0. Now it's counting 1, again off, again on, off, again on, again off, set on. Now you can see your output is energized. So now you like to be stop this y0, and you will give just only at the x0 one signal, and after your counter will be goes to clear at 0. This is the way of clear the counter, this one, and the C0 with any signal push button. You can use x2, x3, x4, which is in your hardware you will design, that's you can use for reset this counter. And here must be when you're using this proximity or any gear or whatever, this is in conveyors or something, or where you're counting the boxes or counting materials, shampoos, any whatever, which machine you're using, must be used this one LDP, rising edge. After this will be giving single pulse to this counter, and after this counts, and after you can use the compare commands, and you can design your PLC program. It's very simple and easy method to use this one counter. If I hope this will be you understand about this counters. If not understand anything, you can send me the message in comment section. I will give you feedback as soon as possible. So thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.